Look at the size of this storm on satellite at this hour. Tonight, a direct hit in Haiti, slamming ashore at 145 miles per hour. Hurricane Matthew was a Category 4, a massive amount of rain. Rivers of mud filling the streets, people trying to get to higher ground.
New images coming in show us the devastation and all the flooding left in its wake.
A lot of the water that ran off the mountains came rushing through these one-room homes, and so as a result, most of the homeowners lost all of their possessions that were inside the homes. We also saw a lot of roofs have been blown off, and quite a bit of repair needs to be done structurally in terms of that. And then also a lot of gardens and farms have been destroyed, so another concern is going to be food prices and food insecurity moving forward.